Imagine stepping into the Fortnite battlefield as your favorite X-Men heroes. This time, Cyclops, Colossus, and Jubilee are here to shake things up. With every new update, Fortnite continues to expand its Marvel universe, and this time, the iconic X-Men characters are the stars of the show. Players can now add Cyclops, Colossus, and Jubilee to their lockers, creating an impressive library of X-Men characters to enjoy in the metaverse. The X-Men bundle, available on August 9th at 8 p.m. ET, is a steal at 3,800 V-Bucks, offering 3 skins and 15 items, including the exclusive Cyclops flare wrap. Cyclops, the team leader, comes with his classic Jim Lee look and a Lego outfit style, along with the X-Pac back bling and the Optic Tau blast axe. Colossus, the steel-covered powerhouse, brings his comic book appearance to life, with the osmium shield back bling and the colossal hammer pickaxe. Jubilee, the vibrant and explosive character, is available for 1,500 V-Bucks, with her Lego outfit style and Jubilee's blades back bling. For those who want more, Jubilee's Lumikinetic bat pickaxe can be purchased separately for 800 V-Bucks, adding a unique flair to her set. Don't miss out! The X-Men bundle and individual skins will be removed from the item shop on August 20th at 8 p.m. ET, so act fast to grab these iconic characters. Join the battle with Cyclops, Colossus, and Jubilee, and unleash the power of the X-Men in Fortnite. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with your favorite mutants.